Good afternoon, everyone. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Well, we eked out a new high in the 30-year, but we really would like to see the market trade on its highs and stay up here with good closes and look for the next leg higher. And we're not getting that. We're actually seeing the market eke out new highs and then finish up towards the lower end of the range. I think the 10 is the current low in the bonds. And if you start to take out this 10 area, you are looking for some more downside. Yesterday's low was 144 even. Easily we could trade back down there, and you have that support band right in those from 144 even down to 143.29, some old highs. So that should become your support. And if you started to get below there and close below there, you are looking for another leg down. One interesting thing you could look at for a short-term trade would be 144.10, which was today's low. If we start to close below there the next few days, you could possibly have a small rising wedge, but your point one starts at 142.20, which is March 25th's low. So that's a pretty hefty move down from where we're at right now. Really, you can't jump up on this until you start seeing the closes, and normally trades like that are fast and furious, so you do have time. What you don't want to do is front run that type of trade and then have the market rally back up, make new highs, and then come back down. So you have to be patient. We could easily see another new high tomorrow in the bonds from a rally from these levels straight up, make new highs, and then come back down. That's the type of trade we've been getting, and I wouldn't start to look for another leg up until we start closing on the higher end of the range, and then maybe you look for more upside. Right now it looks like it's heavy, looking for more correction type of trade. So it's kind of mixed feelings right now. Look for weak closes or something, or strong closes for your next idea. We've seen a huge trade in the gold D's 70-75 put spread. Over a week of buying of that spread from 14.5. Yesterday they bought 12s, I believe, 12s and 12.5s. The total volume, we did see more buying of that today at 13, and you're looking at right around 89 to 90,000 now in open interest, and that's all new open interest. So somebody definitely further down the road is looking for a bigger, hefty move in this back end of the curve, and I'm not disagreeing with that. They may be a little early, but you have the same type of wedges built in the further outs also. If you looked at gold D's, you could form an opinion that if you took out 97.69, that you could see another leg back down towards the start of this move. So there is some negative formations out there, but again, closes are going to matter, and that's what you got to pay attention to. We like to see two closes below trend lines and above trend lines before you really jump up and down. So that's it for today. Oh, we get Bank of Japan tonight, so there's not really any set time, so it's anywhere from like 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. is when the announcement will be, but you may see some comments out of them. So we'll see what happens. Have a nice evening. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Thank you.